In this video, I'm going to share some real talk on how to nail your home improvement projects without losing your mind or your wallet. Alright, so first off, when you're planning any big home upgrade, you got to start with a solid plan. Like seriously, don't just wing it and hope for the best, because that's how things get ugly fast. Pick the right materials for the job. Cheap stuff might save you now, but will cost you more down the line with repairs. Also, know your space and what it needs. For example, waterproofing in bathrooms and kitchens is not optional if you want to avoid mold and nasty damage. When it comes to doors, make sure you're using good hardware that matches both the style and security needs. Flimsy handles are just asking for trouble. Another tip, think about the environment around your home, like sunlight, wind, and drainage, because ignoring these can turn your project into a constant headache. Don't forget permits if you need them. Getting caught without one can lead to fines or having to undo work. And hey, if you're hiring contractors, always check reviews and get multiple quotes so you don't get scammed or overcharged. Lastly, keep your budget flexible just a bit, because surprises pop up and stressing won't help fix anything. One of the biggest screw-ups I see is picking door hardware that's cheap or mismatched. It kills both security and curb appeal. Simple fix, spend a bit more on sturdy locks and handles that go well with your door style. Another common mess is skipping waterproofing in wet areas like showers or under sinks. That's how mold sneaks in and wrecks everything. You can avoid this by using proper waterproof membranes and sealing every inch. The third biggie is ignoring permaculture principles when planning your outdoor spaces. It sounds fancy, but basically means not paying attention to natural features like the slope or sun patterns. Fix that by observing your site before buying plants or building stuff. Working with nature saves time and money. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks homeowners up with local contractors they can actually trust, which makes life easier when you're tackling those big jobs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, the site helps you connect with people who need your skills without all the usual hassle. If you want your home projects to run smooth and actually look great when they're done, these tips are gold. You just gotta put in the work and avoid those rookie mistakes.